Now let us resume our discussion on the set. Let me clear this console. Suppose I have a set, say S is equal to 1, 2, 3, and in this set I want to add one more value. So what I can do is I can simply say S dot add, and I can specify the value which I want to add. So I can specify the value like this and hit enter. Now if I see what is inside S, I can see that A is added to this set. Likewise, if I want to remove a value from the set, I can simply do the remove operation. I can say S dot remove, and the element which I want to remove, and check whether this element is removed or not. I can see that the element 2 is removed from this set. Now let us go to the editor and see some more examples. Now that we have seen some of the basic operations on set, let us try to do some mathematical operations on them. Let us create one file, say learning set, and I'm going to have some sets here. So 1, 2, 3, and one more set y is equal to 2, 3, and one more set 2, 3, 4, and another set z is equal to 3, 4, 5. So I have 3 sets here which have some common values and some unique values inside them, and on these sets I'm going to perform some mathematical operation. So let's get started with the intersection. Okay, so I will take a variable, say s is equal to, and I want to do an intersection of set x with set y. So the way I do it, I say x dot intersection and with y. Okay, and to see the result on the screen I have to print it. So I will say print s and run this learning set file. So I get the value 2 and 3. So what intersection does is it gives you the common value which is present inside x and the set y. Okay, we could have we can pass multiple sets for intersection like this and run this file, and in this case only element 3 is common in all these 3 sets, which is why element 3 gets printed on the screen. Okay, now let us see one more mathematical operation called difference. So what this difference operation does is it will basically look for the values which are present inside set x but are missing in set y. So if I say x dot difference y, it will simply return me the value 1, because 1 is the value which is present in x but is missing in y. Suppose if I want to determine the value which is present in set x but not present in y, also I want to do at the same time, I want to check the value which is present in y but is missing in x. So instead of doing just difference, I am going to say symmetric difference. Okay, and I'll pass the value y, and let's run this. Now I get the value 1 and 4. Now we have one more operation called as union. Okay, so what union does is it joins these two sets and gives all the values which are present inside them. Okay, so if I say x union with y and print it, I get 1, 2, 3, 4. Note that the common values 2, 3, 2, 3 are not repeated because set is a collection of unique elements. Okay, I could have also passed the another set z and run it. In that case it would have been 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are some of the mathematical operations which we can perform on sets, and that's all that we have for this lecture. Thanks for watching, and I will see you at the next lecture.